Hey guys, it's Astro. In today's video, I'll be doing the 1886 Lebel Rifle review. So let's get into it. So first, we have the damage. It has a lot of bullets. It does 72 to the head, 45 to the body. It has around a 6-second reload. It does 30 rounds per minute, and and you get it from hunting level 30. So, in my opinion, not really that worth it, but if you have the time, yeah, it's a pretty good weapon for all necessities. Hunting, which is really good. It has a 1.6x hunting headshot multiplier, which is good. And the reload is 6.3 seconds. So that'll be it for the review today. Goodbye, guys.